This video is going to show you how to get an investigation happening from the Census at School database. So first up you need that website, Census at School, and it's this first one here, censusatschool.org.nz. So just click on that, and you want to go to the green one in the middle, the green button here, Explore the Data. Now we're going to use the data viewer because you're going to get your graph happening up on your device. Now we're just going to agree to the permissions here that we're going to behave ourselves online. Now what we can do here is put our question in, and for this one here, I wonder if there is any pattern or relationship, but pattern's good, between students' heights and their arm spans. So the variables are, those are the things that are being measured, is the heights and arm spans. So there's two of them. You don't need to worry about ticking the Year 12 student box or not. We'll just untick it. We don't need the Year 12 analysis. The population we want to sample from is the Census at School 2013 sample. And we can get a regional breakdown if we like, so let's go ahead and do that. And for our region, we're just going to untick everybody else, and we're going to leave Wellington and other North Island to work in this region here. Now we could also select the gender, the male or female. We might just want to look at boys if there's any connection for just boys sample, a sample of boys. But we're just going to leave it as it is and just have that regional breakdown. Now the total sample size, I'm going to get 50 students selected at random from all the Wellington and other North Island regional data that exists on this database. We don't want too many, we just want a wee sample, and it's going to just choose randomly from a hat, so we should be able to see the patterns from that. Now we can select how many in each group, but we won't do that today. And let's just hit Get Data. Now, takes us to this page here where we have to select the two variables. So the first variable we're going to select is going to be the heights of our students. So we'll just rock down to here and select height. And the second variable is their arm span. So it's roughly in alphabetical order, but not quite. The stuff that you guys entered about your body measurements and bag weights and things are sort of all grouped here. So a little bit above this, there's the heights here. It was one of the early ones. We don't have a third variable in this case, but we then are going to click the Do Analysis here in the green. Wow, look at that. I'm very impressed with that because there's certainly a pattern there. Now what I want to do here is save this wee graph. So I'm just going to pinch it in with my fingers because it's not really properly sized. And whilst I hold down the two buttons on my device, I can take a photo of it. So I can take a snapshot, you know how it does that click thing, whilst it was shrunk down this big. So you're going to have to coordinate yourself or get a mate to help you with that possibly. Just like that. And so we've got a photo of that now, which we can put into our reports. So I'll probably do a separate video about putting your reports together or putting this information somewhere where you can write about it. Nice work. Ka kite.